Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitbucket, manage code repositories online step by step clearly. Open your web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type bitbucket.org and press enter. Wait for the Bitbucket homepage to load completely. Look at the top right corner of the page and click Login. If you see options for Atlassian account login, choose Continue with Atlassian. In the email field, type the email address you used for your Bitbucket or Atlassian account. Click Continue to move to the password step. In the password field, type your account password carefully. Click Login to access your account. If two-step verification is enabled, check your phone or authenticator app for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the required field. Click Verify or Continue to finish the security check. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. After logging in, confirm you are on your Bitbucket dashboard page. On the left menu, click Repositories to view your repository list. To create a new repository, click the Create button and choose Repository. Type a repository name and select the workspace where it will be created. Choose whether the repository should be private or public based on your needs. Optionally, add a README file if you want an initial project structure. Click Create Repository to complete the setup. To invite teammates, open Repository Settings and go to User and Group Access. Click Add Users, type their email addresses, and assign the correct permission level. To clone the repository, click Clone and copy the HTTPS or SSH URL. Open your terminal or Git client and run git clone with the copied URL. Return to Bitbucket to confirm your recent activity appears in the repository page. When you are done, click your profile icon and select Log Out to sign out safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.